Good morning, students. Myself, UK Singh, science teacher at ISL Munidi Dhanbad. Okay, today we will going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 10, reaching the age of adolescence, of class 8. So basically you have to understand what is adolescence and the related terms. Okay, now let us understand the concept of adolescence. So adolescence is a period which is which leads to sexual maturity or puberty. So what happened in the life of every living organism consists of three important phases: birth, reproduction and death. Okay, although after reproduction and death, in between that a period of, you can say, aging or senescence comes. Okay, so this is a cycle of nature. Okay, living organism takes birth, after some time it attains sexual maturity, and then after some time in the immediate period it undergo aging and finally die. So death is evident. No one is immortal. Okay, now what is adolescence? So whenever a person takes birth after some time, let's for example in humans, okay, after they got birth after 10 to 12 years, what happens? A period come which is marked by rapid changes in the body of an organism, both internally and externally. Okay, so this period of rapid change leading to sexual maturity or sexual maturity is also known as puberty. So this is the age of rapid change. Okay, now in both boys and girls this period differs. In girls this period comes 2 years earlier, that is around the age of 10 to 12 years, while in boys this period it delay up to 2 years, that is during the age of 13 and 14. So that means the girls attain sexual maturity first, followed by boys. Okay, now after attaining sexual maturity there is no, you can say, reliable marker in boys, but in girls it is a reliable marker, that is the beginning of menstrual cycle. The first menstrual bleeding marks the puberty or sexual maturity. Okay, so we will understand about the concept of adolescence. Adolescence age continues from puberty up to few years like 7 to 18 years, and continues up to 18 to 19 years of age, which is in general called teenage. Okay, now let us understand how body changes during adolescence. Okay, so body undergoes rapid changes. You present are at the age of in the age of adolescence. Okay, either you have just attained it or you are just 1 to 2 years, what you can say, after that you will attain this period of adolescence. Okay, your body will undergo. Now what happens during this period? That both boys and girls undergo different changes. For example, the boys becomes taller, their height increases, the shoulders also get broadened, while in girls the height doesn't reach up to the limit of boys. Okay, the girls are generally shorter than boys. In girls development of mammary gland takes place. Okay, in boys development of hair, both pubic hair, body hair, beard and mustache take place, but in girls there is generally less body hair. Okay, the lower half of the body or the abdominal part of the body of girls get broadened. Okay, due to the development of uterus within. Okay, so the shape changes in girls. Okay, the voice of males, or you can say boys, get more hoarse, or you can say low pitch, due to development of voice box and larynx, which protrudes from the neck, which is known as Adam's apple, while in girls the voice remain high pitch. That means the larynx is not well developed. Okay, so the girls' voice are generally shrill than boys. So these are the important changes that takes place during adolescence. Okay, we have just introduced the chapter. Okay, after you got the video, the link will be open for all of you to ask your doubts.